Let's head eastwards from the city of Melbourne to the main campus of Deakin University at Burwood. If you're studying at Deakin, this is where you're most likely to be. Just over 25,000 students are based here. That's about 70% of all students who study on campus at Deakin. Burwood is easily the largest site and the university's main base for doing courses, as well as for research and administration. The campus is about 14 kilometres from the city centre. It's big enough to feel like a university of its own, yet close enough to Melbourne for easy travel. Deakin has other campuses, 2 in Geelong and 1 in Warrnambool, but those are much smaller and spread out across regional Victoria. Burwood is the main hub where most students and staff are located. The Burwood campus is set in the suburbs among gum trees and parklands, and yet is sleek and modern. Buildings are bright and well spaced, linked by walking paths that follow a creek and landscaped gardens. It feels like the focal point of a quiet part of Melbourne and is busy during the day, with students moving between classes and other activities. The campus is highly self-contained. Along with space to study, everything students need is within walking distance. Lecture theatres, labs, libraries, sport and fitness facilities, and food outlets for lunch or coffee. Student life at Deakin is flexible, since you can choose to live in the city, near the campus, or somewhere in between. Many students commute from suburbs such as Box Hill, Camberwell, or Glen Waverley, while others live closer to the city and travel by tram or train. Box Hill Central is the main shopping precinct in the area and is a short bus ride from the campus. Many students pass through here to and from campus. It's the main transport hub for trains, trams, and buses in Melbourne's east. The centre is filled with cafes, supermarkets, and smaller food outlets, while the surrounding streets are lined with Asian restaurants and grocers. Buses from Box Hill take around 10 minutes to reach Deakin. They stop near the main university entrance, beside a glass pedestrian bridge that crosses Gardiners Creek. The bridge opens into the main part of the campus, with teaching spaces and the library. A significant percentage of students have cars, though parking usually fills early on teaching days. Most rent apartments or share houses, since on-campus accommodation is limited. Moving in with flatmates, whether you've met before or not, is a good way to start building social connections at Deakin University. There's always plenty to do in this region of Melbourne, whether you base yourself close to the city centre or nearer to the main campus in the inner eastern suburbs. You can connect with like-minded people by joining one or more of the many clubs and societies run through the student union.